Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Tesla is a hot topic, let me tell you. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it going sideways? Let's take a look. Alright, so we have a high here of 1243. Ever since then, hasn't hit it again. Could be going back to that level, or it could be going to zero. You know, Musk has said, yeah, Tesla could be bankrupt. His gigafactories are burning cash. I'm like, that's called bad. So they're wrapping up, and I think they have a good plan to move forward. Looks like the technical indicators are still kind of negative. Alright, we see the negative movement here below the average, and we see a negative sentiment with the stock price moving lower. And we see this stochastic moving lower. Hasn't crossed the 20% threshold, but it's definitely got some downward momentum behind it. Could be going lower. 600 is a good point to accumulate. Like I've said before, it probably won't get below this level, 630 or so. We can do some more detailed analysis of it. You can see way back here is the last time it was negative that far down. 620.46 was the low. Wow. We've come a long way. So if you would have sold up here, technical indicators didn't really give us a good indication of this was going to happen. It did a little bit, but man, it already dropped before that. So I did sell at some point. I don't remember when. I sold a covered call. I got called out on it. That's okay. I still have a few shares left. And if they do a 4-for-1 split, I'll have 100 again. But just for you guys' information, looks like technical indicators. This one is actually green, and this one is actually green. This one is actually red. So, not sure how much credence I would put into these technical indicators. The certainty level is pretty low. I think the stock has some downward movement still. Like I said, down to about 630, 625 it could fall, or it could rebound. So we'll have to take a closer look at this later in the week. If you guys are part of the private stock group, I'll send you an alert if I do a Tesla trade. Pretty awesome when I do that. I make a ton of cash typically. I looked at the options here. If you look at the options now, let's go take a look real quick at the options, if they'll cooperate. If we go out to the next monthly expiration in July, that's pretty short. So 45 days is about optimal. So 47 days. And if we go near the money, let's take a look. If we sold a put near the money, $71.30. Woo! That is pretty good, alright guys? Not gonna lie there. That's $7,100, but you're putting $68,000 on the line. Now if they had a mini version of this, they could move the decimal to the left 1 decimal place. That would be great. But they don't. So this is high stakes, pretty much for me. Seems like a lot of money, but you make some decent money when you sell these Tesla options. And if you could sell both the covered call and the put, that is when you make a ton of money. So we're going to have to take a look at that again now that Tesla's paying some decent money for options. Alright, let's go back to the chart here and see there's a lot of upside potential. I don't think I'd be selling a covered call at this point, but I might be selling a put. So be sure you guys subscribe, join the channel with the new way to join the stock group. Pretty cool, much easier, less paperwork, all that stuff. It's going to be optimal. And looking at reintegrating all the videos from the other platform that I was using back onto YouTube. And I'm not sure how exactly to do that. So you guys who join the stock group going forward will have access to all the YouTube stuff, and the other platforms going away for all you guys who have joined the stock group in the past. I'm going to pull you guys all into the same family here on YouTube, because it's much easier to manage this way. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, join the channel. Thanks for watching.